Hey, I'm with Texas Task Force 1. We were just talking with a lady with y'all about these vessels here in Corpus Christi Bay. Hi, I'm with Kevin with Texas Task Force 1. And so we're here at the site, but we're trying to confirm that you have good comms with the people on the boat and that it's the 47-year-old that wanted off that boat. The 80-year-old male is the one that is confirmed that wants to come off. Okay. 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 We're here on scene right now, so I just wanted to confirm that. Okay, Reese, thank you. All right, so it's confirmed with the 80-year-old. They haven't been able to get a hold of the 47-year-old.
Okay. Come let me. Y'all come look. This shit moves while they go out there. You see a light? See that boat right there?
Yeah. Red?
With the reflector?
Yeah.
Hitting us. The big one pointing towards the shore.
Yeah.
Got the stripe on the side.
Yeah.
That's elderly couple, 80-year-old. Okay.
Who's in the sailboat? You said the sailboat had the 80-year-old couple.
See the light?
Yes, I told
Yeah. Coming from the boat up here. That's got the 47-year-old, so says the chief. He may have that backwards listening to the Coast Guard.
Yes, that's him. That's him.
Which one's him?
Which one's what?
He's on that. Okay, you see that small houseboat? There's a boat, houseboat next to it.
Yes.
He's on the boat next to
You need, and that's he, the 87-year-old?
it. No, that's a 46.
And he's the one that wants off?
Yeah, I think he's the one that called. The 80-year-old and the 87-year-old.
Or
They're on
this
that
boat.
boat right there.
Okay, okay, thank you.
First off, I don't think getting in the water is going to be a big problem. It doesn't feel like it is, but with 6 of us, we can get a boat in. Alright? There's a concrete wall that kind of goes around this. You can't see it right now because the rain's far, but I can point it out to you. So you want to stay on the outside of the concrete wall. And you want to go out into the surf, come around dead center, and come back towards that boat. That boat's on the in. It'll be the first one you come to. You should be able to stay out of the creek. That's the plan. Getting them and getting back out that same hole is probably going to be problematic. Alright, because the concrete wall goes around and around during normal time. You can see the concrete wall. And with the waves flashing, I can find it over here. Right? So the problem would be is getting them, getting spun around, and heading back out, going clear that concrete wall, and coming back to the shore.
Are you talking about to the 47-year-old male?
Yeah.
That's the one that's not confirmed that he wants off.
Okay.
The 80-year-old
I think if
is
you get to
confirmed.
that boat, you can get to the others by hopping. Honestly.
Like from boat to boat?
I would secure my boat to his boat,
Alright.
right? And hop from boat to boat.
Alright.
But I'm not 100% sure we need to do this yet. That's what I want. Stay right here.
I don't think it's going to be that big of a deal.
You think it going out? In order to get inside here, you have to
Yeah, where can we?
hard, I bet. Thought we might get lucky.
It's cut there.
Try that. Nope.
I think keeping your heavy weight.
Kevin! Hey, where's Kevin? I was just there.